What's up, guys? This is Crazy Mike's Fireworks. I'm gonna do a video about fireworks. Right here we have the Winda firecrackers, the flash crackers. So we got the Mad Dog firecrackers, and we got the original. I want to see which ones are louder. Okay, here goes one of the flash crackers. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Let me do that again. Okay. Here goes. Oh, it's not that loud, but look at that crater. Hey, we're just gonna throw that because that's a dud. Here goes one of the Mad Dogs. Here it goes again. That sounded like a dud. Okay, here goes one of the originals. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I personally think that the Mad Dogs were the loudest. Right here was the flash cracker, Winda by Winda. Here was the damage from the Mad Dog. And here was the damage from the world-class firework cracker. Thank you for watching.